Welcome back to the Explainer, everyone. Okay, today is a big one. We're diving into day 5 of the 120-day at zero challenge from Creative Coders India. Up until now, we've been pretty heavy on the theory, right? Well, today we're completely flipping the script. It is all about immediate, rapid action. But first, I gotta ask you a pretty serious question. Are you currently stuck in what developers call tutorial hell? You know exactly what I mean. It's when you spend months, literally months, passively reading textbooks and binge-watching endless tutorials. You feel like you're learning a ton, but you haven't actually built anything yourself. Honestly, it's the biggest mistake beginners make. It's a total trap, and it absolutely destroys your momentum.
So how do we break out of it? The ultimate antidote is right here. As the challenge points out, you do not need to be a genius to start building real stuff. You just need to code. It's really that simple. Forget about making things absolutely perfect for now. Today, we're going to walk through 5 totally actionable, creative projects you can start right this second to get your hands dirty and really build up that confidence.
Let's jump right into category number 1, building fun and games. This section is all about mastering pure logic and randomness. First up on the list, we have a digital dice roller and guessing game. The setup is simple. The computer secretly picks a random number, and you, the player, have to guess what it is. Every time you guess, the computer spits back a too high or too low hint until you finally nail it. Now, it sounds basic, but building this interactive loop is a phenomenal way to grasp managing user state and handling random data. Honestly, those two concepts are the absolute foundation for anyone wanting to get into game development down the line. Next up, we have the text-based adventure creator. Think of this like those old-school choose-your-own-adventure books. The player walks into a dark castle and has to choose, do I go left or do I go right? Going left might trigger a hidden trap, but going right might lead to instant victory. When you build something like this, you become an absolute master of nested logical conditions and functions. You're literally blending pure, hard-coding logic with creative storytelling. How cool is that? All right, let's shift gears a bit. Category 2 is practical utility tools and real-world applications. We've got 3 incredibly useful utility projects to tackle here. Number 1 is a Smart Cashier program. You're essentially simulating a supermarket checkout that automatically applies a 10% discount for really large bills. This is going to drill variables and loops right into your brain. Project number 2 is an automated word counter. This tool reads through text files and hunts down the most frequently used words. You'll be tackling file handling and string manipulation. And let me tell you, those are the exact real-world skills data scientists use literally every single day. And finally, project number 3 is a desktop Pomodoro Timer. You'll use time modules to build your own custom 25-minute countdown alert. So you're coding a tool that will actually help you manage your future coding sessions. Talk about a win-win. Which brings us right to the main event, your day 5 challenge, where we finally escape that beginner trap. Your mission for today is simple, but it is incredibly powerful. You just need to pick one. That's it. Pick just one of these 5 projects and start writing the logic today. Please, do not stress about making the code look elegant or perfect. Just focus entirely on making it work. Making it function is the only goal right now. So, what does this all mean for you? Well, it leaves us with just one big question to wrap up. Which project are you going to choose to build today? Seriously. Commit to one right now. Start writing that logic, and finally take that step completely out of tutorial hell. Thanks so much for hanging out for today's Explainer, and we will definitely see you back here for day 6.